What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have QQQ Trust Series, okay, Invesco Trust Series. In this situation with QQQ, I'm going to start from a little bit of a higher time frame, and on this 12-month chart, yearly chart, we can see that we are in a bullish bias, bullish trend. We have bullish ranges overall. Coming to the 3-month chart, we have the same exact thing, but this time we're coming from these lows. Beautiful. Now going to the this is the weekly, but yeah, let's go monthly chart first of all. Okay, on the month we're coming from down here. We have this demand set in place. And if I go to the weekly now, it's where it gets interesting. Okay, so first of all, on the weekly we're in a bearish range. What that does, like, I don't really care about that. I really care about this thing either going upside from here or just coming lower and then from here continuing to go higher. So this is my own thought and opinion. Obviously, this is not financial advice, and have a wonderful day. See you.